Hello everybody, this is Daphne, and today I will show you how to get a free ebook. So, the first thing you're going to do is open up a new tab, and at the top, search Internet Archives. Then, click on the first option that pops up, archive.org. And then, hopefully this page will show up. Then, if you don't have an account here already, click the Sign Up button and follow the instructions to sign up. This is free, and if you click Send me general announcements, then you will get emails on the email address that you used. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Then, hopefully this screen showed up. Take a look around. At the top, there is a Books option. Click on it, and click on Books to Borrow. Hopefully this screen will show up. Then, over on the side, in Search This Collection, type in the name of the book you want to search. Then, when your search results show up, hopefully the book that you wanted is there somewhere. You might have to scroll to find it, but if you don't find it, then you're out of luck. But you can also search other books that might possibly show up. Instead, I searched for The Hunger Games. And when you see, The Hunger Games does show up. I also had another book on my mind, so I searched it up and the results I was looking for did show up. Then, I saw that there were a few other companion books that had The Hunger Games. I scrolled down and I found two good options. I clicked on one, and this is what showed up. At the top, you can see that this book can only be borrowed for an hour. Click on it and you can borrow it for an hour and return it whenever you want. Once your hour is over, you can also renew it, meaning you can have it hour after hour. Then I went back to the original page and clicked on a different book. It turns out that when you see that drop-down arrow, you can also have the option to borrow it for 14 days. If you click on it, at the top it says your loan of this book has 13 days left. I have never ever had a book longer than the time I was allowed, so I don't know what happens if you go over that time. Then, there is another option. If you go back up to the Books button, click on it, and then click Open Library. You will also have a different ebook library with different books to choose from. Of course, this is another option that might have the book that you were looking for, that you didn't find on the Books to Borrow page. You might not have found what you're looking for. As you can see here, the book that I was wanting to read is not available and is not showing up as a book that is registered here. I typed in The Hunger Games to see if they had The Hunger Games books here too. As you can see, some of these books look familiar than what showed up on the other pages. Here, there's also a check availability button and a borrow button with the headphones next to it. I'm guessing that probably means that it's an audiobook. I'm not very familiar with this page. Maybe try the other one. Thank you! I hope you learned something new watching my video. Bye!